Okay, Susan, you're back. Good. So, here's the notes that you never got. Yeah, it's only like a few. So, here, take them. Oh, and you forgot your license. Like, who does that? Apparently you. So, Susan, keep your license. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is, what is this one? Just look at the color. What is it? Susie, you're Larry, so dumb. It's purple. You said it's green. It's friggin' purple. So dumb. Susan, you're so dumb. Okay, now this one. Now you're saying it's purple? Susan, get it together. Okay, next, what's this color? It's not freaking yellow, Susan. It's blue. It's freaking blue. Okay, now it's this one. Finally, you get one right. It's yellow. You got it all over your friggin' card. Take it home and study it. Okay, Susan? Yes, we need emergency help. What's this sound?
Hey! Put that back. It's time to lay down.
Okay, Susan. Now, what you need last is this. Okay, so it's this. A, C, B, D, F, A.
Dakota!
Bye, guys.
To lay down.